So we're here with an amazing contractor, one we've used a lot, the real Nick Marietta. We wholesaled him $1 million house about 5 months ago, and he's turning it into a $5 million flip.
How much money did you put into this house?
1.3 million.
$1.3 million rehab. We've never put that much into a house, so we called him up. We have to see what he's doing, and we wanted to take you guys with us. Let's check it out.
So walking in, we see a lot happening on the outside of the house, and I know you're not gonna leave this old front door in here.
Now, you know, it's like the TikTok and Instagram, right? You see all the little ants walking next to the door, and you see this door go like this. We're gonna put in a 10 by 10 pivot door here.
Dang. So this
10 by 10
entire
pivot
thing
door.
is gonna spin.
What does a door like that cost?
About $15,000 my cost.
$15,000 front door just walking into the place?
You got to, don't you?
It's a hell of a first impression.
Let's go.
You think that's a lot of money? What do you think's happening over here?
So obviously this looks like an old stairwell to me, but it was probably really curved, really dated, and it's obviously gonna be way different.
This has been a piece because, you know, curved stairwells are coming into, you know, drywalled sides and everything is like a really big feature right now in the houses and the high-end luxury. It's coming back in. And we tried for like 6 months to leave this. We just couldn't do it, so we're tearing it out the very end. And
Had to do it.
I'm paying through the nose now. And
What's it gonna look like?
All right, so it's gonna attach up here.
Yeah.
These treads on this side, it's gonna be larger on this side. These treads are here are gonna be 8'6". So these treads actually come off. The first two die into this wall, and then there's glass that comes down. We're landing into here.
Yeah.
I'm building a great big platform here, and then you're gonna walk down here. And when you walk down here, this is gonna be framed out, so it's like a double landing, really big. It's all French oak, but the glass is gonna come across this railing, and we're gonna put black buttons all the way across, so the glass comes down. You see this line right here?
Oh, I like that.
Turns around and comes down basically with these marks.
So you're gonna make this more three-sided instead of just a spiral.
Yeah, it comes down, and then this right here is gonna be a landing,
Yeah.
and we're gonna finish it out here with glass all around it.
Okay, how much does the staircase cost?
The staircase is about 60,000, and the handrail is 20.
Shit, you are spending some money on this house.
I make too much money from you guys.
Right. So I see here all new windows. Are you doing all new windows and doors throughout the entire house?
Yes, we're doing all brand new multi-slide doors, and we're doing black metal dual pane windows throughout. We just had to do it. We couldn't leave all the old windows in a remodel to this extent.
Love it.
The doors are costing us about 80,000, and the windows are running around 50,000. So about 130,000 installed windows.
Wow. So you've already spent a lot walking right into this place. Do you have anything else, like in the entry, some sort of feature?
Yeah, we're designing some kind of feature wall with probably some 2x2 planks with maybe a black painted wall here with some lighting in it or something. That's still kind of to be determined.
Yeah, but something cool is going to go here.
Okay. One thing I do remember when we sold you this house, though, is we loved the beams, and it looks like they did keep the beams in this house. Look at how cool those are.
So actually one thing that I wanted to ask all your viewers is what I should do with these beams. If we should leave them, or if we should paint them, we should restain them, whatever. So I'd like to see their comments in your video about that.
Yeah, because you could change the color of the brackets, you could make the beams a lot darker, or do you feel like you could clean these up and leave them?
Yes, because with like a French oak, we didn't go with a parchment. We actually just went with a transparent stain on a French oak, and a transparent and a parchment are pretty close. If we would have went with a solid stain, then we probably couldn't have done it.
Okay.
I think I would like to see the hardware black. That's my personal opinion.
So we got opinions, but guys, drop a comment below, let us know. We'll get it over to Nick.
As you guys walk through this construction site, you can see we have a lot of people working here, right?
Yeah.
And I contemplated in pouring up these sunken rooms several times, but I just had to leave it. It felt so good with these big steps. But this fireplace behind us, how cool is it?
Yeah.
For a home built in 1993, I think they did a phenomenal job.
So you haven't touched this?
No, I've not touched it. The only thing I did.
Oh, did you smooth coat it?
No, it was all that way. We put a new insert in.
Okay.
And we're gonna do a concave black stone on here.
That's cool.
And then we're gonna actually Venetian plaster this. The whole house is gonna be a bright white. And we're gonna do like a matte Venetian plaster on this whole fireplace.
Wow. So you kind of got lucky on this one.
Yeah,
but I didn't get so lucky because this had kind of a rough finish, and you can see these walls were skimming all the walls to a level 5 smooth drywall, and that was about 40,000.
Wow.
Yeah, I did notice that. That is a super upgrade for a home like this, is that smooth plaster wall. You said 40,000 to do that?
Yep,
It's a lot of
I
area
think
to
it's well
do.
worth the money.
Now, just think when you walk through that front door, you remember we were talking how you feel like an ant on the TikTok, stories?
Yep.
Look at what's happening back here. I mean, when you walk through, there's gonna be this fire pit When you walk, so this is going to be a multi-slide across here, okay?
Wall of
You see all
glass.
the
There's a
hardware.
lot of glass in this house, which I think is awesome.
Yeah, and when you walk out here, there's going to be a beautiful fireplace. There's going to be a beautiful fire pit,
Yeah.
and then you've got the pool here with the tee. You can see all the way down the green. It's great.
Cool. Well, let's look at the rest of the first floor.
Guys, so you know, one of the biggest things we walked through that door was you guys were confused with what's going on here. Do you have any idea what we're doing?
Dude, I have no idea.
I think
it
that's
looks
the
like
kitchen.
that's the kitchen. I don't know what this is.
Why do you think that's the kitchen?
Well, I see a little tiny hood vent up there, and I see a 220, so there's got to be a range that goes on that wall.
Dang, you guys are pretty experienced.
That's
know
all
what
I
we're
know.
doing.
That's all
I
I
didn't even know
know.
that was the kitchen, but you're right, it is. So anyway, what's going to happen here is we have this great big indoor-outdoor area.
Okay.
This is actually going to be our dining room. Okay.
Oh, so right here, maybe lights. Okay.
You're going to be sitting in the dining room, and there's two doors that come to an L right here. Okay.
So that's the corner.
Yep.
Okay.
And then what's going to happen is we're going to have a French oak floor here. So you're going to open them doors that go into this column, into that column, and you walk out. Now you're in an outdoor experience with tile.
So this is outdoor patio. This is covered patio
Yeah,
right
this
here.
is actually the covered patio right here.
Wow.
Yep. Then what's going to happen when you come out of there? I'm not going to talk about this yet, but this is actually going to be a water feature that goes for the pool. We'll reveal that in a little while.
Got it.
Okay. So what is this pony wall going to do then?
So let me jump on the other side real quick.
Yeah. This kind of looks like we're part of the kitchen.
So that's-
Right. Yeah, so what is this area here? What's this pony wall going to be?
Okay, so I'm putting a channel in here, and I'm putting an accordion window that goes to the left and goes to the right that stacks on each column. And I'm putting a waterfall, or I'm putting a countertop that goes 24 inches that way, 24 inches this way, so you have an indoor-outdoor experience that's all open, and you look straight out your view.
Can't see it yet, but we can, and it's awesome.
Dude, that's pretty thoughtful. How'd you come up with that?
I don't know, man. I must have smoked a lot of weed that day.
So then if that's part of your kitchen, you can sit here to obviously look at that view?
Yeah. Yep.
Okay.
So you're gonna sit here on bar stools. There's actually gonna be 3 islands. You have that. There's gonna be 3 countertops. You have that.
Okay.
You
This
have
looks
that
like a
island.
center island going
Yeah,
in
the
here.
center island here is gonna be a sink. This is about 18 feet long, and then back here you're gonna have pantries on each side just to offset it with a hood vent that's made out of marble, countertop, and 48-inch range. We're putting all Miele appliances in here.
Ooh, very nice.
If you know what Miele is.
I don't know what that is.
Miele is a high-end German appliance.
Miele.
Melee. Comment on that also in the video because I go on Google and it's Melee. What is it?
Which is it? I have no idea. I've never even heard of it, to be
We've tried.
honest.
I've even asked my English.
If you know, let us know.
So this whole back wall is a wall of cabinets, a wall of appliances. Where's the fridge? Right here?
It's gonna go right here.
Okay.
Okay.
then
A
we got-
melee fridge.
Melee. We got
Walk-in pantry.
Walk-in pantry.
So this looks like a pretty large step here. Is this gonna go down into the room or something? You got a plan for this?
You're gonna walk straight into glass right here. So what's
Okay.
happening here actually is where I'm standing. As you guys stand here, and I can show you on the video, there's gonna be glass floor to ceiling here.
Got it.
Okay, and the glass is gonna come over here, and then there's a door on their side of this pole, but this is actually a refrigerated wine cellar right
Oh,
here.
that's gonna be
Very
sweet.
cool.
Yeah.
So you'll have wine racks all the way up.
Yeah, I'll do the same as I did for you guys on Pine Hollow.
So it's actually a room though.
Yeah.
Like ours was kind of skinny. This you can walk in.
Yeah, it's a full walk-in. There's a wine chiller already wired up here. There'll be a vent cut in. So we'll keep it at 54 degrees. Right here, we're gonna put a bar, ice maker, beverage fridge, because there's no beverage fridge anymore.
That makes sense right here.
Of course, yeah. And this room, what do you guys think we should do with it?
God, the beams are so cool
We
again.
have a living room over there, we got a fireplace. What do we do with this room? Is this
Well, I think that's going to be the formal walk-in entry room, like main living room that's more formal. This is going to be your everyday TV room.
This is where you, as a homeowner, are cooking, enjoying your fridge, enjoying your appliances, everything in there, and then bringing what you're making like,
Right.
to hang out in, right?
Yep. And this is the barbecue right here. You can walk out this door.
Yeah.
It's a nice barbecue area.
So this is another sliding glass door.
yeah, this sliding glass door that goes over to the right.
So you're building a barbecue?
Yeah, we're gonna build a barbecue. So there's actually a gas pipe right here that sticks out. We're gonna come off of here and build a barbecue with a waterfall island out here.
Nice. Covered, not covered?
Not covered, no.
Okay.
How many sliding glass doors are in this house?
There's actually 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of them.
6 sliding glass doors.
Yeah.
And each one of those has to cost at least 15 or
They're
20
about
grand.
10 to 15 grand each, yeah. But I own a glass company, so they're cheap.
There you go.
And you gotta see this cool laundry room I made. So there's a laundry room on the first floor and on the second floor in this house. But
That's a major upgrade.
Yeah, but what I really like about it is we have linear windows in here. They're all black. We've got our countertop going here with pendants. It's gonna be a nice laundry room on the first floor. And this is actually like, we call this our junior suite behind you. full bedroom bath. We pre-wired everything. Depending on each room, we have wall sconces, we have pendants. We're actually putting chandeliers centered on every bed.
Whoa.
Built-in closet shelving and all that kind of stuff.
So Nick actually built a really cool dog wash in this room. Let's go see what he's gonna do.
So Jesse, where you're standing, we're putting all Euro cabinets, which is supposed to be here any minute. That's
So a lot of
actually why I'm
storage.
here. Yeah, lockers all the way
Love
to the
it,
lid.
love it.
But I put a dog wash in here, and we're gonna tile it all the way to the lid, and we're gonna hang a chandelier over the center. What do you guys think of this idea?
Is it usable as like a other sink, or is it clearly just a dog
Just
wash?
clearly a dog wash with a hand wash on it.
I really like that because we've thought about doing it a couple times and
Yeah.
we haven't yet pulled the trigger on it. So I can't wait to see how this turns out because we might have to do one in our
Well, when I
next
think
flip.
about it, I think about like using that or kind of using this as like a mudroom too. Like
Yeah.
you have a lot of dirty stuff.
Yeah,
you can always throw
that's
that
a great
in.
idea.
Yeah.
You never think of that. But later, right behind you, there's all these wires.
Oh,
Yeah,
look at
this,
how many
This
there
whole
are.
house is pre-wired, okay, for audio, video, all the automation for all the lights. You can turn them on and off. Obviously, we have cameras, speakers, everything else. That was about 20,000 to pre-wire.
Wow, and that goes into every room.
Yep, every room.
Incredible.
Sweet.
So there's speakers on in every room. There's automation keypads, everything.
Wow.
All right, so we gotta go check out the master. Before we do though, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you never miss a video. Let's go check it out.
No worries, guys. I'll go first.
Let me use this handrail here, which there isn't. I've never walked up a staircase like this, gotta be honest.
Nick, this is a very interesting design element that you decided to put into the home.
Welcome to the master bedroom. This place is insane.
All right, so back here,
Dude,
look at this beam.
this bathroom
beautiful.
is huge.
How cool is this?
Yeah, I love that it comes into the bathroom with the beams.
We had to completely rework this. So I'm gonna start with you with the vanity wall.
Sure.
Okay? So there's a cabinet that goes on each side, okay? And then in the middle, we have wall filler, lap faucets that come out. We're gonna have a floating front made out of a marble or an onyx going all the way across. Then a towel rack in the middle. And then we're gonna do a full mirror all the way up, backlit right here. And then there's two pendants that come down.
Wow.
Dude, that's gonna be insane.
Check out the shower. So
I noticed there's no curb, so is this gonna be?
this is the first house you get lucky on the second story. This all has lightweight concrete, so I had 2 inches of lightweight concrete throughout the upper floor in this house, so I could actually slope it down to a linear train here, which
Nice.
we always want to do, so there's no curb.
I love that. It's gonna
Yeah.
be seamless.
It's so awesome.
So tell me what's gonna be on this back wall of the master shower.
Obviously, you got your valves here, you got your hand wands, you got your shower heads, and there's 2 rain heads right here, and then there's going to be a big 42-inch oblong shaped master tub going right here.
With
Is
a
it-
chandelier above it?
Chandelier above.
Okay, so
Yeah.
wall filler to fill the tub.
We're actually going to do a corner filler, believe it
Okay.
or not. Yeah,
Cool.
because of the way all this framing worked out, you see we were originally going to do it, it
Yeah.
just didn't work out. And then what's going to happen is we're going to have a glass panel right here that goes 12 feet to the lid.
Yep.
It's going to be black frame, and then that wall right there is going to be glass frame. And on this wall right here, it's got 2 onyx slabs going on the wall, and then it's going to a vertical tile around that curve.
That's
area.
gonna look
So
cool.
full slabs right
Full
here.
slabs right here. Yeah.
Let
This shower
me
is about
ask you, when you
30,000.
say fixed panel, so are you just gonna walk in?
Yeah,
It's gonna-
there's a 3-foot entrance right there.
Got it.
And a 3-foot entrance right here.
Okay, I know a lot of people don't like that, AKA Landon, but I love that.
I think it's great.
I love that. He likes a steamy shower, loves to close it.
I like doors.
I like to keep it
My
open.
buns get cold.
So we have the option. We sell this. We have the master closet there, but
Okay.
we actually the master closet is like 12 by 30.
Dude.
But I thought this could be a workout room. What do you think? So we're gonna leave no closet shelving in here. We're gonna stage this with like a Peloton and probably a row machine. And,
I think it'd be cool to put mirror this whole back wall.
okay.
A lot of workout rooms have mirrors.
Yeah, mirror the whole back wall. Put a different type of hardwood floor down here.
Yeah.
So it feels like a gym. It's not a bad gym.
I think the size-wise, it's good. The only thing I'd be concerned about is like if I was in here like doing something. It's a little
Yeah.
low.
Well, you're 6'5".
It's
Yeah.
true.
But like
So we can only sell
You'd be
this
fine.
house to a short buyer.
yeah. So you got a laundry room that's in the master.
Love that. Love that.
In the master too, not just upstairs, in the bedroom.
Yeah, we got a makeup counter going right here. You know, his and hers for day. Everything. This is the master closet right here. Sorry, I don't have any lighting in here. But the first thing, so in the
This
crazy-
is sweet.
Yeah.
So the crazy thing is in the marketing and selling this,
Mm-hmm.
I'm actually going to put a full purse case right here. Okay?
I was gonna
And
say, what do I see right when I walk
I'm
in?
backlighting this, putting a full purse case, And we're gonna spend about $35,000 on designer purses and sell it with the house.
All right, so the master bath is honestly, this is crazy. It's huge. It's gonna look incredible. But we gotta show them that view that's gonna sell this house.
All right. Let's lead us to
see
it.
it.
All right, now that we've been impressed by the
haven't even
master
seen it
bath,
yet.
we walk into the master bedroom.
Oh, wow.
I'm guessing wall of glass right here as well.
So this is the only spot with the exterior framing. I actually could do a pocket door.
Love that.
Oh.
So I wanted to do that everywhere else, but I just didn't have enough exterior wall to actually get to the point where I could actually do a pocket door, which really stinks, or which really sucks in a house of this size and this caliber, but it is what it is.
If you're gonna do one, do it in the master. Right,
Yeah,
that's
for
very
sure.
cool.
And just so, and let you guys know what a pocket door is, check this out. It actually disappears completely inside the wall. Come look in there. So it'll be seamless once it's open.
So right behind us, this is actually our bed wall right here. So your bed wall, you're looking down the view here. Over here, we're gonna put a fireplace in here, and then I'm gonna have cabinets that come into it across here, the countertop, and then we're gonna go up with 3 floating shelves there.
All right, so let's turn them around. This view is truly amazing. Right down the fairway. Look at that. So we gave you a little glimpse of that pool, but we're not gonna show you the finished product until the next video where this whole house is finished.
Yes.
We're about 6 weeks away from then.
Oh.
6 weeks away.
Can't wait to show you guys. Make sure you subscribe to the channel so you see that finished video. And if you have any questions for Nick, you can always reach him at The Real Nick Marietta.
Until then, we'll see you on the flip side.